While much of the Treasure Valley was celebrating the 4th of July, emergency dispatchers were working through one of their busiest nights in history. KTVB's Christian Lopez joins us now. Christian, the Ada County Sheriff's Office says Ada 911 received a record-breaking number of calls during the holiday weekend.
That's right, Hunter. And if it felt like there was a lot going on this 4th of July, that's because there definitely was. I spoke with an Ada County 911 dispatcher who says that they doubled their staff last night, but even so, it was still extremely busy. And officials with the Ada County Sheriff's Office say that this year has ranked among the busiest on record for first responders. Catherine Holland has been a 911 dispatcher for 18 years, and she says that this was one of the busiest 4th of July holidays she's ever experienced.
We were busy the entire night. All of us were back-to-back phone calls. We even had leadership answering phone calls. We were so busy.
Ada County 911 says dispatchers handled a record 1,765 incidents between midnight on the 4th and 6 a.m. Sunday. That is the busiest 4th of July reporting period the agency has ever seen. And to put that into perspective, that's about 59 calls an hour. Fireworks kept dispatchers especially busy with 284 calls related to fireworks. They also handled 16 fire calls and nearly 200 text to 911 conversations. Holland says that new text edition that started last year has really helped.
And that gives the community the option to text their firework complaints into us instead of using a phone line and calling in and talking to a dispatcher. We get the same information, they get the same help. It just saves us on phone lines and time.
She says dispatchers are only one piece of a larger coordinated team working with data analytics, emergency management, and partners across the valley to keep first responders moving where they're needed the most.
It definitely takes a specific person to do this job. And there are some days that I think, am I strong enough for this? But then there are days like last night where during the chaos, then we can still be the calm part that helps get the officers and fire and medics where they need to be while helping the community.
This year's total topped last year's record of 1,613 incidents and continues a steady climb in 4th of July call volume over the past several years. Also a reminder that while most people were enjoying the holiday, dispatchers were working around the clock to get police officers, firefighters, and paramedics where they needed to be, Hunter.
Yeah, a busy one to say the least. I do have to say my husband works as a firefighter. He says it was busy over in the Magic Valley. So everyone, thank you for keeping us all safe. And Christian, thank you for your coverage.